Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix KitchenAid refrigerator PO error code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the power outage notification, so this indicator serves to inform you when the refrigerator's power supply has been disrupted, causing the freezer temperature to increase to 18 Fahrenheit or -8 Celsius or above. When this occurs, the control panel's temperature display will show PO, accompanied by 3 alert tones. Additionally, the confirm prompt will flash until you acknowledge the power outage by pressing the measured fill button under the confirm section. Now, once you confirm the power outage, the PO indicator will vanish and the display will revert to its home screen. And that's about it. So it's actually pretty easy to fix. Just follow the steps and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.